At Diablo Valley Cabinetry, we came in, worked with Christina. She laid out the design for our kitchen. She also took the time to walk us through the interior of every cabinet. I love that their showroom is current and modern with all the latest trends and styles, so you can make an educated decision. Their teams work seamlessly together, not only internally, but externally with our contractor, and it made it a great experience.
The last project we did was our dream kitchen. We decided to stay in our home forever, and it became our forever kitchen. And Diablo Valley Cabinetry helped us achieve that goal, and we're fantastic with the installation and the follow-up customer service.
Our dream kitchen has a massive island. We had upper and lower cabinets that you had to peek down to see through to people at the kitchen table. So we have completely changed the layout. We closed a wall, opened a wall, and it is just a dream. I pinch myself every day we walk in that kitchen. One of my favorite things about our new kitchen is I know where everything is. Everything has a place. We have a place for the big cutting boards, for the big platters. We have peg drawers, so all of the dishes are accessible. I can unload the dishwasher standing at the dishwasher, and everything has a place, easily accessible. We have a better flow in the kitchen. We upgraded to a double oven. We have a gas stove now, and the functionality is just fantastic. Can't say enough about the customer service. Diablo Valley Cabinetry by far sets the bar for customer service. You can't do better.
From the moment that we decided to go with Diablo Valley Cabinetry, we were contacted by our design consultant, the installer, and also by Frank to make sure that we were on schedule and that if we had any questions, we had all the contact information and all the numbers to reach out to those people. The service that we received is far and above beyond anything you would find at a box store or at a home improvement center.
Diablo Valley Cabinetry was very respectful of the budget we had set. They were very thorough in showing us different options, interior cabinet options, and allowed us to make an educated decision on where we wanted to spend some extra money or some upgrades or splurges, and where we might be able to make some other decisions to accommodate our budget.
I'm not gonna kid you, doing a full kitchen remodel can be a very stressful time. Diablo Valley Cabinetry helped us with the stress level by keeping in constant contact with us.
With timely deliveries, with a clear scope of work, clear communication with the contractor, it made all the difference in the world. I mean, you're laying down a big chunk of money. You really have to trust the partner. You have to partner with them and trust them, and the trust is just bar none. The biggest compliment I could give Diablo Valley Cabinetry is it's been 3 years and I wouldn't change one single thing.